Hi. So now, again, this is science unit, but few feedback from many of you that at least run through the chapter as a video. So I'm just continuing to run through the chapter. You have the MCQs to go through it. Please go through the MCQs. So here, the chapter today we are focusing on chapter 5 is measurement of length and motion. Now the story here is about Deepa and how she calculates the length of her uniform by char angula, 4 fingers width. And there is mention of the old system of measurement, how it was used. There's a story around it. And it says India has a rich history of measurement systems dating back to ancient times. Angula, finger width, multiples of angula, dhanusa, and yojana are some of the units mentioned in ancient Indian literature and used in measuring artifacts, architecture, and town planning. The angula is still used by traditional craftspeople like carpenters and tailors. Several objects with ruled markings, which could be scales, have been excavated from sites of Harappan civilization. So it shows that measurement of unit was a part of Harappan civilization, how they were measuring and planning the cities and the basic unit of measurement. Then the chapter talks about the SI unit, the system of units now used internationally called as International System of Units or SI unit. So it's basically a French term, Systeme International de Unites. So that's why SI unit. And then it talks about meter, centimeter, units of measurements, various marking. Now these are all common sense questions also which comes. The chapter speaks about with the various activity and material symbols and uh, how it is written and how the curved lines are measured, various distance, displacement, reference points, and kilometer. The chapter talks about this aspect, and then there is a aspect of motion, which is mentioned as linear motion, and circular motion. What is circular? What is linear? If an object repeats its path after a fixed interval of time, its motion is called to be periodic. When an object is in circular motion, it moves along the circular path again and again. An object in oscillatory motion also repeats its motion while moving to and fro. Both circular and oscillatory motion are periodic in nature. So then there's a chapter exercise, various terminologies, and the summary of the chapter by the book itself. So this is chapter 5.